Once somebody finally finds their first auction deal, the hardest part is doing the research to make sure that that property is actually a good deal. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I do my research using a free site called Propwire.com. Definitely make sure to stay until the end of the video so I can show you guys some secret tips that I use. Let's get into the video. This is probably going to be one of the best tools that you're ever going to use when analyzing your real estate deals. So this is Propwire. It is a free version compared to PropStream, which I know you guys have heard a million bajillion times. And this is essentially like a free version of that. I have an auction deal here pulled up in Chicopee, Massachusetts. And so we're going to go ahead and copy this address, type it into Propwire, and we're going to pull this bad boy up. So this is basically going to pull up any property inside of the United States, whether on market, off market, auction, foreclosure, literally anything. So here is exactly how I use this when I'm analyzing my deals, especially if I'm going to put in a bid on an auction property. We can verify information like the estimated property value, bed and bath count, square footage. We can also contact the owner, which in this case would not be beneficial because it is more than likely a bank that owns this because it is a bank-owned foreclosure. And if you guys are wondering more about the auction process, if you guys are curious about the auction process, I have a ton more videos on that on my channel. And once we're scrolling down here, we can see quite a bit of information. Now, they do pull all of this from the county, and it's very beneficial. I do always cross-reference this to the actual site, so we make sure that we're looking at the correct data, right? Now, one of my favorite tools with Propwire is you can see exactly how much the estimated mortgage balance that's left on the property is here, as well as how much equity the old owner has. So for some reason, this one is not 100%, even though it is, I'm assuming, bank-owned. Okay, so we can see here, Lakeview Loan Servicer. So this is the lender that foreclosed on this property. And we can use this to do quick due diligence. So, if we're pulling last sold in the last 6 months, 2 bed, 1 bath, just like our comp, we can see that there's not too many of those. We have a couple 3-1s here. So I'm just going to click on those. Boom, boom, boom. And we can get a quick comp-based value. So it's giving us about 250K or about 332 per square feet. Again, I would always cross-reference this to my own comp research that I do. Of course, I would always cross-reference the comp-based value with my own method of finding comps, which I teach in the one-on-one mentorship, just because I don't really confide in these third-party sites. They always get information wrong, and if you get this wrong, your whole deal's going down the drain. So again, we can go over to history, and we can see exactly who the last owner was, when they went to foreclosure, why they went to foreclosure, and we can see here when the last property sold, last owners, and of course the last mortgage that they had on this property. So in this case here, this was in 2022, they had an FHA loan on this for $195,000 from this lender right here. This is going to help you get a better feel and understanding for the deal, seeing exactly how much the seller might want on this property. And the last tab is the market tab. Now here you can see different data points on the actual zip code and the town that this property is located in. So again, if this is comped out at 250 and we see that the median sales price is 300, that's definitely a good sign, meaning that this is below the median value, or assuming it's going to be affordable housing, so you're probably going to have more buyers on the table. Median days on market, 30 days. That's also very good. Here in Florida, we're at about 60 to 90 days, which is horrendous. How many listed homes? Again, you don't want to see too high of a number, so you can always use these resources to make sure that the deal that you're going to buy is going to be lucrative for whatever strategy that you tend to implement. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to go ahead and join the Skool community where I post a ton of free resources just like this video here. Or if you already have some capital saved up for your first deal, go ahead and book a one-on-one strategy call with me, and we can talk more about auction properties to see if they're a good fit for you.